Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can sign in into the mobile banking application of Wells Fargo Bank on iPhone. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Wells Fargo mobile banking application on your device. Here at the home page of Wells Fargo Bank, you can see the login form page where you need to provide your username. Then go in for providing your password. Once you provide both the details, you simply tap and sign on where you'll get directly logged in into the mobile banking application of Wells Fargo Bank. Just in case if you forgot the username or the password of the mobile banking application of Wells Fargo Bank, you can see the option given that is forgot username, forgot password. You need to tap on it and go in for further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to recover your account credential. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get signed in into the mobile banking application of Wells Fargo Bank on iPhone. Thank you.